Welcome to STEM Time with Josh. Today we will be making a musical doorbell circuit using snap circuits. All you will need is your battery pack with batteries, 4 2-long snap wires, 1 1-long, 5 long, 6 long, and 3 long snap wires, along with a press switch, slide switch, resistor, LED, music box, and speaker. So what we're going to want to do is line up our 6 long along with the bottom prong of the battery, and then with our 5 prong we're going to line it up just 2 spaces over along with the top part. So then what we're going to do is connect it to the battery with a 2 long, and then 4 spots down on this 6 long we're going to line it up with the far left bottom corner of the music box. Then afterwards we're going to go ahead and connect it to 2 long. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to get our single 1 long and put it on the bottom positive side of our LED so it can be elevated. Place that at the ending of our 6 long. Now what I'm going to do is get our 3 long, connect it to our music box like so. Then I'm going to get the press switch connected to our music box as well. After that, I'm going to connect the resistor to the LED and the press switch. Then we're going to go ahead and connect the slide switch to the 5 long. And then after that, all that's left is our speaker, which is going to go in the center of everything, connected to our music box and 5 long by 2 long snap wires. So when I close the slide switch, the music integrated circuit is going to start playing a song until it's over, like so. Now that the circuit is switched on, this press switch should work, and after I press it, like a doorbell, I could either hold it until the song is over, or I could press it and it'll play the song over, but after I let it go, it'll continue until the song is done, like so. We also have this little LED indicator to let us know when the button is pressed. So as you saw earlier, well, alright, that was our musical doorbell circuit. So until next time.